When Emily's mother sends her to Ashley Hall School, a prestigious boarding school for girls, she expects strict teachers, new friends, and the usual struggles of fitting in. What she doesn't expect is Gia, a witchy classmate obsessed with voodoo, Ouija boards, and the thrill of the unknown. On a reckless dare, Emily and Gia break into a condemned building hidden on campus. Among the dust and shadows, they discover a video cassette stuffed inside an old heating vent. The footage reveals a shocking truth. 40 years earlier, a group of students deliberately cursed Ashley Hall and invited something dark to linger. What begins as a game soon awakens a spirit tied to Emily's own buried past. A seance meant for fun spirals into terror as the girls confront a force that refuses to stay forgotten. Blending the atmosphere of gothic ghost stories with a chilling reimagining of Frankenstein, The Haunting of Ashley Hall School is a coming-of-age horror tale about secrets, memory, and the price of playing with the supernatural. Perfect for fans of haunted school settings, dark academia, and anyone who loves being deliciously scared.